Samsung may have just revealed its most interesting foldable of the year, completely by accident. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra this July. But while most people are focused on the Ultra model, a surprise new leak is now stealing the spotlight. According to popular tipster Ice Universe, a Korean netizen recently spotted what appeared to be a Samsung employee using the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 at a restaurant in South Korea. The device was reportedly hidden inside Samsung's internal anti-leak protective case, a special enclosure typically used on prototype units to conceal the final design. Because of that, most of the hardware remained hidden, with only parts of the display and frame visible. What makes this sighting so important is that this is the first time the Galaxy Z Fold 8 has been spotted in the real world. Shortly after the sighting, 2 photos of the device surfaced online. While the images are quite blurry, they still reveal some interesting details. In the first photo, the phone is sitting on a table inside its protective case and does not appear to show much. However, the second image tells a very different story. The device looks noticeably wider than previous Galaxy Z Fold models. It also appears shorter, creating a completely different form factor compared to earlier generations. This could be a major change for Samsung's foldable lineup, and there is a good reason why this matters. One of the biggest complaints about Samsung foldables has always been the narrow outer display. A wider design could finally address that issue and provide a much more comfortable experience when using the phone while folded. Even more interesting, the proportions seen in these real-world photos closely match CAD renders that leaked several months ago. If that comparison is accurate, it could mean those earlier design leaks were correct all along. Leaks say Samsung is giving it a massive 7.6-inch inner display with a wider 4:3 aspect ratio. That means movies, gaming, multitasking, and content consumption could feel way more tablet-like than before. But wait, the outside screen is where things get really interesting. Apparently, Samsung is using a wider 5.4-inch cover display too. So unlike older Fold devices that felt tall and narrow, this one could actually feel comfortable to use while closed. And here's the crazy part. Samsung may finally be fixing the biggest complaint people had about Fold phones' battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is rumored to pack a 4800 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, while still weighing around just 200 grams. That is seriously impressive for a foldable this large. Now, before you get too excited about cameras, there is a catch. Leaks suggest the Fold 8 Wide may only use dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, a primary sensor and an ultra-wide sensor. That sounds surprisingly basic for such an expensive device. But Samsung might be doing that on purpose. Instead of chasing crazy camera hardware, the company seems focused on productivity, multitasking, and creating a true tablet-style experience. What exactly is Samsung cutting to make the Z Fold 8 Wide cheaper? Well, new leaks may have revealed the answer. According to multiple sources, Samsung could be using a very smart strategy this year. Instead of ruining the phone with weak hardware, the company may only reduce the camera specs people barely notice, while secretly upgrading the features that actually matter. Here's where things get interesting. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to keep Samsung's powerful 200-megapixel main camera, the same sensor found in devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And honestly, that makes sense. Samsung reportedly loves this camera system because it delivers insane detail, better digital zoom, and surprisingly strong low-light shots. But the Z Fold 8 Wide? That phone could take a completely different direction. Instead of chasing crazy numbers, Samsung may focus on balance. One leak claims the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide could feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f1.9 aperture, which is actually a huge upgrade over the current Fold generation. And this is the shocking part. The current Fold only uses a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a weaker f2.2 aperture. So even if the wide model ends up cheaper, it may not feel cheap at all. In fact, Samsung could be building a foldable that gives users the upgrades they actually wanted, instead of wasting money on marketing specs nobody uses. And if these leaks are true, Apple might have a serious problem. Because Samsung appears to be preparing this phone specifically for the upcoming foldable iPhone, which many rumors are already calling the iPhone Ultra. But here's the twist. Apple's first foldable may reportedly launch with only two 48-megapixel rear cameras. Now yes, megapixels are not everything, but Samsung clearly does not want to lose the camera battle before Apple even enters the foldable market. And honestly, this could become the most important fold Samsung has made in years. And honestly, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be a very interesting upgrade. But here's the thing, if you're expecting a completely new design, you might be disappointed. Samsung is clearly playing it safe this year, focusing more on refinement than a full makeover. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to launch during Samsung's second Unpacked event in July, with July 22 currently rumored as the big date. Reports suggest the event could take place in London, and Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Wide, Flip 8 XR glasses, and the Watch 9 lineup all at once. Now, design-wise, the Fold 8 looks very similar to the Fold 7. Same premium foldable form factor, same vertically aligned triple camera setup on the back, and the same pill-shaped camera island in the top left corner. The camera bump is still there, so yes, the phone will probably still wobble on a table. Samsung is keeping the flat aluminum frame, sharp edges, and right side button layout with the power buttons sitting below the volume keys. Both displays are flat with thinner and more uniform bezels this time around. The outer display camera cutout is slightly smaller, while the inner selfie camera hole punch sits a little off-center toward the right side. Dimension-wise, the Fold 8 measures 158.4 by 143.2 by 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, and 158.4 by 72.8 by 9 millimeters when folded. Under the hood, Samsung is expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy globally, meaning every region gets the same overclocked flagship chip. RAM options include 12 GB and 16 GB of LPDDR5X memory, while storage options go from 256 GB all the way up to 1 TB with UFS 4.0 or UFS 4.1 storage. For displays, Samsung is reportedly using two 120Hz dynamic AMOLED LTPO panels, an 8-inch foldable inner display, and a 6.5-inch cover screen. The main display is also expected to feature dual-layer ultra-thin glass for better durability and an improved folding experience. New Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 wide cases just appeared online, and the comparison video between them is revealing something big. The moment both cases appear side by side, one thing instantly stands out. The Z Fold 8 wide looks much wider than the regular Fold 8, and honestly, it doesn't even look like a typical fold phone anymore. According to Ice Universe, these newly surfaced protective cases were spotted from Alibaba listings ahead of Samsung's expected July launch event in London. This is usually the stage where Samsung introduces its next-generation foldables, including the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and the highly anticipated Z Fold 8 Wide. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 seems to follow Samsung's familiar foldable design language. The leaked case shows a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear along with a punch hole cutout on the cover display. So visually, Samsung may not be changing too much with the standard Fold model. But the Z Fold 8 Wide is where things suddenly get interesting. The comparison video of both cases clearly suggests that the wide model could feature a significantly broader outer display and a larger inner screen. If true, this might finally solve one of the biggest complaints users had with Fold devices for years: the narrow front screen. According to Ice Universe, the Z Fold 8 Wide may also feature a different camera setup with dual rear cameras and the flash positioned below the sensors. Samsung could be prioritizing a better foldable experience and thinner design instead of focusing only on camera hardware. There's also speculation that the inner display may use a 4:3 aspect ratio once unfolded, and if that actually happens, the device could feel far more like a real tablet during gaming, multitasking, and video watching. The leaked cases also reveal some smaller details. There's a clean, pill-shaped camera cutout on the back, while the side frame includes a dedicated cutout for the power button and fingerprint scanner combo. At this point, Samsung's strategy is becoming very clear. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.